If your turbocharged engine feels sluggish and you are staring at a check engine light, you might be dealing with a specific issue regarding how your car manages air temperature. We are talking about the diagnostic trouble, code P00A2, which stands for Charge Air Cooler Temperature Sensor Circuit, low bank, 2OBD. I know that sounds like a mouthful of technical jargon, so let me break it down for you simply. Your turbocharger is essentially an air pump that forces air into the engine to create more power. But this process heats up the air significantly. Hot air is less dense, which is not great for combustion, so your car uses a charge air cooler, often called an intercooler, to chill that air back down. The sensor in question, the CACT, measures the temperature of the air coming out of that cooler. The computer, or PCM, sends a 5-volt reference signal to the sensor to keep tabs on the efficiency. When you see code P00A2, it means the computer is seeing a signal voltage that is too low, usually indicating a short circuit on bank 2. Bank 2 is simply the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. Now, do not panic, but this can put your vehicle into limp mode or stop your diesel particulate filter from regenerating. To fix this, we need to do some detective work. Start by popping the hood and visually inspecting the sensor and its wiring. You are looking for loose connections, burns, or cut wires. If everything looks okay physically, we need to test the system. You will need a scan tool for this. Monitor the sensor data. If you unplug the sensor and the value on your scanner drops to a very low number, and then you jump the terminals with a wire, and it shoots up to a very high temperature, your wiring is likely fine, and the sensor itself is the culprit. You can also grab a digital multimeter set to ohms to measure the resistance of the sensor terminals. As the engine warms up, that resistance number should drop smoothly. If the engine gets hot but the resistance stays stuck, replace that sensor. It is a straightforward fix that gets your turbo breathing right again.